How to make agents talk in Valorant. If you want to make agents talk, you just simply need to go to settings right here. So go to settings, then go to controls, then just go to communication. And once you're here on the communication section, just scroll down till you see the radio commands menu. So you just simply need to set the hotkey for your radio command. So I put the radio commands menu index and my comma key on my keyboard, and the open combat radio commands menu on my period key on my keyboard. If I use it, so I'm going to use my radio commands menu index. So I'm going to use or click on the comma key on my keyboard. As you can see, this will pop up. Let's say I want to say to attack. So you just simply need to hover your mouse to it, then release your key. Something like that. And for the next one, which is the open combat radio commands menu, I'm going to open it up. Let's say I'm going to go with social, and I'm going to say hello. You could also do with the combat. So let's say you're low and you need healing. There's something to do that. So that's basically how you make agents talk in Valorant.